Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm gonna make some pig shots.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday, a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Pig shots. Guys, let me tell you, these are good. I made them for Memorial Day. You cut some hot dogs, wrap them in bacon, stuff them with seasoned cream cheese. Then top them with cheddar. I mean, come on, what's not to like, right? So, for this, you're gonna need a block of cream cheese, some bacon, and hot dogs. See, I don't like to use the regular size skinny hot dogs. For this one, I like using fat hot dogs, so I'm gonna put a lot of that stuff in it, right? Hey, the more cheese, the better, right? Oh, so anyway, I'm gonna top it with some white cheddar. You can top it with anything you want, and right before we pull it off, we're gonna drizzle some barbecue sauce on it. This is something quick, easy. I'm not making my own barbecue sauce. I'm using my favorite, but we're gonna thin it down with some cola. So let's get started. We're gonna grab some cream cheese. Boom. And for this, you want to leave your cream cheese out. Let it get soft. You don't have to if you don't want it. It's much easier to mix when it's soft, you know? So let me get a rubber spat here, okay? So again, just like my jalapeno popper egg rolls when we season the cream cheese, you can use any seasoning you want. So, and there's really no measurements. See, what I do, I like giving it a nice little cover. And you know, easy, less is best, you know what I'm saying? So season it up how you want it. Me, I'm going to use some chili powder. I'm going to sprinkle some chili powder on it. Nice little cover, and you see what I'm saying? Like that, right? Now this, I'm going to use this a little bit. Not a pinch, not a punch, but a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Punch of salt. Punch or pinch?
Punch. Not pinch. What did I say? I said pinch.
No, you said punch.
Don't go half a pinch, right? Cool it. Just want to give a little bit. Because let me tell you, a little bit goes a long way. Now this white pepper, I'm going to put some white pepper in there. I'm going to pour it in my hand though, because sometimes it comes out just a little too fast. Just a nice little dust into that. Boom, boom, boom. You want to get yourself some garlic? You don't have to if you don't want to. Remember, it's your world. I'm just living in it, huh? But I'm doing a little bit of garlic. Oh, what? Because I'm Italian, I got to use garlic, huh? Anyway, let's give it a little bit in. A little bit. Put some chipotle powder in there. See how it's nice and covered? Like snow, right? Nice little cover with the snow, huh? Some paprika. Boom. That's about it. We're gonna give it some salt. Woo! All right. Some black pepper. And then what you want to do is mix it all together. Right? See, this could have been a little more softer, but that's okay. We'll get it mixed up one way or another, you know what I mean? Just the perfect amount of seasoning, you know what I mean? I mean, look at that color. That color is amazing. It's all mixed. Let's just get like a little bit of the cheddar. Right? Everything's better with cheddar. You don't have to put a lot. You don't even have to put it at all, but that's what I do. Barbecue sauce. I like to thin it out with some soda. I'm going to put some cola in there. It's up to you how much you want in there, how loose you want it, how tight you want. I'm going to kick it up a notch. This is Trailer Park Boys hot sauce. Even though that existed. My son watches it all the time, so I saw it down the shore, so I figured I'd get it for him, you know? I'm going to put a little bit, just going to give it a little, nice little bang, you know, a nice little punch. Like Rocky Balboa, kaboom! Oh! Your hot dogs. You want to, I like an inch size. A little, measure it to the bacon. You want it a little bit smaller than the bacon because you want the bacon to stick up high so it makes a little cup. And that's where we're going to put the cheese. So we're going to use that as our measuring point. Right? About an inch. About like that. And you always could choke up on the bacon, right? Right? Boom. Boom. Don't have to be perfect. Now you can use the thin hot dogs if you want, but I like using the thick hot dogs so it's more the cheese you can put in, you know? Alright, get your bacon. I like using the thick bacon. Last time I used the thin bacon, and I'm more of a thick bacon kind of guy. Got your bacon, just chop it right in half. Alright, now you got your bacon cut, your dog's cut, your cheese done, your barbecue sauce done. I hope you got your smoker warming up on 350. But okay, now what you're going to do is grab a piece of bacon, grab a hot dog, the dog. And then what we're going to do is just roll it right around. See how it makes a nice little pocket right here? It makes a nice little pocket. You grab a toothpick and boom. Right through there to hold everything together. This is what I'm going to tell you to do it, and you do it till you're all done. See you back here when all your dogs are wrapped. Boom. I'm going to get myself a nice little tray there. Now, a friend of mine, they can't have cheese, so I did a couple without cheese. You see that little pocket there? You get some cream cheese here, and boom. You're probably going to have to use your finger if it's not soft enough. I just want to... Hey, well, I'll be honest with you, it's so much easier with your fingers. But you get to push it in real nice. See that? Nice and nice. Alright, then we'll get some more. Right in there. Boom! See that? That was perfect. So push it in. Alright, I'm going to put a little more in there. I'm a glutton for this stuff. I love it. And just keep filling them up. That's all you do. Just fill them up. And boom! There you have it, guys. We got some pig shots. Oh! Wait a minute. Give it a little bit of cheese on each one. You don't have to go crazy with the cheese. Just a little bit. And boom! That's how it is. Guys, meet me outside. We're going to throw these bad boys on the smoker. Woo! Nice and roasted. Sometimes they're going to fall. How'd they look on the grill, on the smoker? They look good, right? See, sometimes they, like, you know how hot dogs bubble up? Sometimes they're going to tip over, but keep your eye on them. Look, just make the best of it, because this, the final product, even if it's to the side, like this one, see how the cheese went to the side? All the cheese is on the side, it's still together. We're going to taste this, watch. Take your toothpick out, don't eat your toothpick, eh? Barbecue sauce, bacon's nice and crispy. These are good, I'm telling you, it's just amazing with the bacon and everything. Again, they're gonna fall on the side. It's gonna happen. When in doubt, sauce it out, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a new video. Also, check us out on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok and check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They'll play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers of rock. Hey guys, email me your request. I will cook your request. Forget about it. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.